video. So in this video, I want to talk about the best way to get the LVNV funding removed from your credit reports. So stick around, you guys, and I'm going to tell you the best way to get this removed from your credit report. So the easiest way to get the LVNV funding removed from your credit report is to send in disputes to the credit bureaus about this account. So a lot of times LVNV funding is a collection company, so they're collecting on behalf of another company, or they may have bought the debt. So after you find out that that company is actually on your credit reports, you want to send a letter in to each credit bureau. So say if you have TransUnion and Equifax and Experian, you have all three credit bureaus, you want to see where it's at on your credit reports, which credit bureaus is it on. Because after you find out which credit bureau is on, whether it's TransUnion and Equifax, you could just send a letter to the credit bureaus and let them know, hey, delete this account from my credit reports. Now, I have the dispute letters in the description, you guys. You can go ahead and get the dispute letters, and you can start disputing the accounts on your own. Or if you need us to, we can actually help you do that. But all you have to do is send a letter to the credit bureaus, let them know to remove that account from your credit reports. Now, if you already did that step, you're like, hey, Rickita, I sent those in, they're not responding, I don't know what I need to do, then at that time, you need to contact that company. You need to contact LVNV Funding and ask them, hey, please show me the proof that this account is reported accurately on my credit reports. That's your next step. But go through the credit bureaus first. If the credit bureaus delete it, then, you know, leave it alone. There's nothing else to fight about. But if they don't delete it, then I need you to actually contact that company directly, and you can send them a letter just like you sent the credit bureaus a letter. Now, if you need any additional help with this, or you have any additional questions, definitely let me know. But the answer is actually to dispute that account on the credit reports. If you see an account on any account on your credit report that you do not like, you need to go ahead and dispute it. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to text the score to 21